Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 7 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 7 math and then click on view all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter rational numbers. The lessons we're going to cover today are add and subtract rational numbers, multiply and divide rational numbers, put rational numbers in order, apply addition and subtraction rules. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important things and definitions as well. So let's just start the chapter rational number grade 7 math. So let's just start with the lesson. Add 1 by 10 plus negative 5. So we are going to add 1 by 10 plus negative 5. We need to apply the same rules that are for the integers, right? So we can write it as 5 minus 1 over 10, right? And 5 minus 1 over 10 is we cannot subtract them until they have the same denominator. So we need to make the denominator 10 for this one, right? So we need to multiply it by the 10. That would be 50 over 10 minus 1 over 10. So 50 minus 1 is, we have a subtraction sign over here. That is 49 over 10. Now when we divide 49 by 10, that is 4 whole 9 over 10. This is the whole number, that is 4 whole 9 over 10. But we are subtracting a smaller number out of the greater one. So the answer must have a negative sign. So that is negative 4 whole 9 over 10. Let's just start with the test questions. We need to apply the same rules that are for the integers. So let's just you need to recall the rational numbers also. 1 by 10 plus negative 5. That is same as negative 4 whole 9 by 10. That is negative 4 whole over 9 by 10. Okay, negative 5 whole negative 5 whole 9 by 10 and plus negative 8. So adding two negative numbers, the answer is negative. You can just add the whole numbers. 8 and 5 makes 13. So that is negative 13 whole 9 over 10. The correct option is negative 13 whole 9 over 10. You need to simply add the whole numbers. Option number 1 is the correct option. Negative 7 over 10 plus negative 7 whole 1 by 10. We need to make the denominator same first, right? That is negative 7 over 10 2 times 7 is 14 and 1 15 over 2. Let's just make the denominator same. You need to multiply it by the 5 because 2 times 5 is 10. Negative 7 over 10 minus 5 times 5 is 25, that is 75 and 10. Now negative 75 and negative 7 is negative 82. Let's just divide 82 by 10. So 10 times 8 is 80 and we have 2 here. So that is negative 8 whole 2 over 10. Negative 2 whole 8 over 10 and divide them by the greatest common factor, that is 2. So negative 8 whole 2 over 5. The correct option is negative 8 whole 2 by 5. Option number 2 is the correct option, that is negative 8 whole 2 by 5. Why not? Negative 8 whole 1 by 5. How? Okay, you can add this way, like this. 7 by 10 plus 7 whole 1 by 10. These are the two fractions we are given, right? They both are with a negative sign, so we need to add them. So let's just make only the denominator of the fraction. Like here you have 1 by 2. So you need to multiply this fractional part by 5 to make their denominators equal, because that is an easier way. So you multiply it by 5, so that is 5 by 10. So when you add, that is 7 whole, 7 plus 5 is 12 over 10. You cannot write it in the form 12 by 10. You need to break this down like 7, 2 by 10 plus 10 by 10. So because 10 plus 2 is 12. So that is 7. 10 by 10 is 1 plus 2 over 10. So 7 plus 8, 7 plus 1 is 8. That is 8 whole 2 by 10. So when you divide it by the 2, that would be 8 whole 1 by 5. So you need to add a negative sign. That is negative 8 whole 1 by 5. Okay, let's just move on to, now how can I move? 6.7 plus negative 1.3. So one of the number is positive and one of the negative. So you need to subtract them. 7 minus 3 is 4 and 6 minus 1 is 5. That is 5.4. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson. Okay, let's just do the one we are on right now. 4 whole 1 by 10 plus 5 whole 2 by 10. We need to make the denominator same. So multiply the fractional part by 2, because 5 times 2 is that. So 4 whole 1 over 10 plus 5 whole 4 over 10. Now you can add the fractional parts. 5 plus 1, 5 plus 4 is 9, and 4 plus 1 is 5 over 10. That is 9 whole 1 over 2. Option number 1 is the correct option. That is 9 whole 1 by 2. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is multiply and divide rational numbers. So negative 1 by 10 times 1. So multiplying a positive number and a negative number, the answer must be negative. So it is negative 1 over 10. Let's just start with the test questions. Negative 1 by 10 times 1. So multiplying a positive and a negative number means the answer is negative. So that is negative 1 over 10. Option number 1 is the correct option. Neg 9.4 times negative 0.5. 'So multiplying a positive and a negative number means the answer must be negative. So basically you need to multiply. So that is 2 times a negative 4.7, it is divided by the 2 because 0.5 and 1 by 2 is exactly same. 1 by 3 times 3 by 5. So 3 and 3 cancel out, we are left with 1 by 5. The correct option is 1 by 5. 5 by 8 times negative 1 is, that is negative 5 by 8. Option number 1 is the correct option. 4 whole 1 by 3 times negative 1 whole 1 by 2. Let's just convert them to improper fraction. 3 times 4 is 12 and 1, 13 by 3. 2 times 1 is 2 and 1, negative 3 by 2. So that is negative 26 over 10. 10 times 2 is 20 and 6 it is. So that is negative 39 it is. That is negative 6 whole 1 over 2. That is negative 6 whole 1 by 2. Option number 1 is the correct option. 1 whole 1 by 2 times 2.6. That is 3.9. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is the next lesson is let's just start with the test questions. Put these numbers in order from greatest to least. So you need to arrange them from greatest to least. The negative numbers are always the smallest one, right? The first one is 10 whole 1 by 20, 10 and negative 6 by 40. So negative 6 by 40 is the smallest one because that is a negative number. Now 10 whole 1 by 2 and 10. 10 whole 1 by 2 is more than 10. So the correct option is 10 whole 1 by 20, 10 and negative 6 by 40. Put these numbers in order from greatest to least. 0.65 is the least one and 8 is the greatest one. So that would be 8, 0.48 and negative 1 by 25. Put these numbers in order from least to greatest. 1, 1 whole 30 over 40 and negative 1 by 25. The smallest, the negative number is the smallest one. Negative 1 by 25, negative 5 by 25 and 1 whole 12 by 30. Option number 2 is the correct option. Negative, no, option 1 is the correct option because on the negative side, as you are moving far from 0, the numbers are getting smaller and smaller. So that was the other option. I selected the wrong one, okay? Put these numbers in order from greatest to least. So which is the correct option? Option number 2 is the correct option. Put these numbers in order from least to greatest. So which is the correct option? Least to greatest. Negative 3 whole 9 by 25. Negative 3 and 0.24. Put these numbers in order from greatest to least. Greatest to least. Option number 1 is the correct option. 8 negative 8 whole 17 by 13 and negative 8.7. Put these numbers in order from greatest to least. Option number 2 is the correct option. Put these numbers in order from least to greatest. That is 0, negative 0.5, negative 3 by 15 and 1. Option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So we were working on grade 7 math. Chapter we were working on is rational numbers. The lessons we have covered today are add and subtract rational numbers, multiply and divide rational numbers, and put rational numbers in order. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons you just did. That is your homework until next session. So if you need more help with any of the lessons, you can simply click on the live chat button. Tutors are available there to help you, or either you can write them down in the chat box. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. So, any questions you can please ask if you have any. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any.